Cobb EMC is an electric co-op that provides service to around 220,000 meters. We have about 190,000 members at this time. Our territory is about 460 square miles. We cover parts of 5 counties in the state of Georgia. We cover all of Cobb County, some of Bartow, Cherokee, Fulton, and Paulding. We serve both residential and commercial. Our mix is about 70% residential and 30% commercial, or at times it could be around 60-40 split. In the state of Georgia, Cobb EMC is #1 for rates. In the nation, we're #1 in reliability, as well as #1 for restoring outages quickly. How I look at Surveillant as we roll out our grid modernization, it's a tool, but it's a centralized tool. The way I view Surveillant is this is the cornerstone of everything else we're doing out in the field or at substations. The way we sold the operators on moving to a different solution was involving them in the process of the evaluations.
When we decided to go with Surveillant, the big reason was because everything was easy to use on the system. All the out-of-the-box solution was there instead of us having to customize everything and come up with workarounds for the system. Once we seen the product and we showed the product to our new, our system operators, they became excited over, hey, this could be a good solution.
One of the things I like about working on the Surveillant system is the low entry to become proficient. We've just had a new gentleman onboarded with us. After taking 40 hours of training with Surveillant, was able to be an asset to us, and he can already add, delete, or make updates to devices and add those into the topology and add those inputs that are required for the ADMS. Surveillant were quite open to give us like their whole book of customers, and we could pretty much phone up any of them to say, hey, how's Surveillant? How to upgrade solutions? And we did, and we phoned up a few, and all of them said that they do them themselves. Now we've had the system, really, the upgrades are that simple, and they've all gone exceedingly well. One of the big differentiating factors was what Surveillant called the ID Wizard. That allows us to, in a couple of minutes, be able to go ahead and add, stroke, delete, or update a device with the addition of control panels, which once you've created a control panel once, you can then go ahead and repeatedly use it by just changing the station name. That allowed Surveillant to go ahead and, in the demo, add a couple of devices that we had in a moment's notice and add those topology flawlessly.
We were completely happy with our SCADA vendor previously, but there were some pain gaps that we were having on our previous vendor that we were looking to improve upon and simplify the aspect for the operators as well as all the engineers that use the system.
The reason we went with Surveillant is the out-of-the-box options. Most of the other systems we looked at looked like they were maybe designed more for an engineer to use versus the system operator. It seems like when Surveillant designed their system, they really listened to what a system operator wanted or what a system operator would use on a daily basis.